Juan Carlos Mendez, student the evaluation method. Real option method calculate which decision trees. Short description. The evaluation approach through real option correspondent to an extension on financial options supporting the statistical model and decision theoretic concept, traditional assessment and decision making tools say simply don't work in reality anymore, highly uncertain project, huge capital investment, and unstable internal condition combined to work in a complex and changing in every moment are then constant in today's business. Advantage of the method, the sequential show all the possible course of action can management can take if the different scenarios of uncertainty made arise during the life of the project in I love visualizing the best strategy based of the limited information available although making use of more advanced valuation strategies. Decision trees can be combined with the use of real option to include management flexibly in the assessment. Is it easy to understand and explain to management? Mathematical formula, consider a Brownian motion Wt is t in out on 0t. Define on a fixing probability space equipped me con white its argument filtering and delta 5it of t p the present value of the expressing cash flows at TST is assumed to be drive be word USDT and OSTT. Zero are an out function to specified later. Value in Colombia currency and the time of making decision quantitative results can be disregarded for which strategy and operation flexibility factors are put before which will the considered of equal of greater value the cash flows of tiny by financial theory. Thank you very much. Regard. Bye.